sparks melting on a playground wall. Do you remember dawn escapes from moonwashed college halls? Do you remember the cherry blossom in the market square? Do you remember? I thought it was confetti in her hair. By the way, didn't I break your heart? Please excuse me, I never meant to break your heart. So sorry, I never meant to break your heart, but you broke